Good morning and welcome to Fat Cow Farm. Now here we are this morning in front of the high tunnel hoop house here, and we're going to run our main irrigation feed from our little sub pub station here that looks after the chicken coop and veggie garden. So what I've done is I've had the pipe lay overnight, so it's sort of straight, ready to rock and roll. We've only got a small run, but I thought just to make life a little bit easier, what we'll do is I've just put the pipe layer on the back of the tractor. So that's ready to go. That'll dig my trench and lay them up the pipe for me rather than me being on the shovel. It's all good at Fat Cow Farm. So what I'll do, we'll get this up and running and I'll see you down the other end and we'll go from there. So I'll see you soon. All right, so here we are. We've laid the pipe, nice and easy, took 10 minutes. You can see my tail's hanging out here. And then what I've just done now is just put a little trench in to actually feed the hoop house, the main line. So I'm gonna go get some bits and pieces and we'll start playing plumber, I suppose. How good's that? All right, so we'll catch you soon. Okay, well, here we are in the high tunnel hoop house. And I've finished phase one of our irrigation. So what we're looking at is our main water feed coming in behind these slats here underground. And then what I've done is I've just branched it across this top board. And as we were discussing before on previous videos, I was going to put it on the other side there, but with the door and everything else, and it was all going to get just a little bit too tight. So I thought I'd put it on this side here. So what I've got is, I've just raced down to the hardware and I've just got some electronic timers with 2 zones. So what I've got here is, as an example, zone 1, which will be our main or the high end of the in-ground or raised garden bed through here. And then this one here will feed the center and lower raised garden bed. Now what I'll do is I'll put some isolation taps on those so I can control what I need along the way. And so that's the lower section and this is the higher section. So this is for the misting. So depending on what we've got going on, if we're propagating or whatever it may be, we've got those options for misting. And again, what I've got here is this one will punch down into the ground, run across and then come up for the far side. Because remembering what we're going to be doing is running on these top hats through here. So we've got a mid, top and mid. So what we have is that this one here will run that mid one there. So that's all ready to rock and roll. And then zone 2 or line 2 has come up. And then what I've done is I've then just got isolators on either side, up top, and I can branch across to our top one, or I can run down to our middle one. And I'm going to do that then with the poly. So what I still need to do is just get that top hat and invert it so I can then clip on my poly sprinklers along the way. I also thought about a permanent water feed. So this is exactly the same as what we've done in the chicken coop now. And we use that one all the time. So I thought, let's put it in now rather than wait later. So that's just got a standard tap. I've picked up a little hose reel that I can just get all that squared away. In case we do need some water or wash down things or whatever it may be, we've got those options ready to rock and roll. So really, all about phase one and actually getting the timers and everything ready to rock and roll for your irrigation on your high tunnels. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.